Disc replacement to treat spine pain is the next disruption in medical device. Spine pain is the most common reason to seek medical care and accounts for billions per year in cost. In 2001, engineers founded AxioMed. There is consensus that AxioMed has the most revolutionary disc replacement design.
Artificial disc replacement is becoming more and more popular.
The AxioMed disc, I think, is that next step in technology.
Very different from the other artificial discs that are on the market.
The vertebrae are meant to move, and if you can allow the natural movement, then I think you're restoring a lot more motion for that patient.
Mimics the human disc so much, the spine recognizes itself as being normal.
I woke up, no pain. It's been amazing. I was back on my horse in 6 weeks.
I think this is a true disruption in the way we will treat patients going forward.